Hello everyone, this is Vivek Sharma from Raipur, India. My sponsors are Mr. Mahesh and Mrs. Tanu Shri, and my upline emeralds, upcoming diamonds, Mr. Deepak and Mrs. Shalini. Today my topic is need of supplements. Why we need of supplements? Before understanding that, we should understand what are nutrients. Nutrients has two subdivisions. First is macronutrients and another is micronutrients. So let's discuss something about macronutrients. Macronutrients consist three parts of it, which is protein, carbohydrate and fats, which we all are already aware of. We know, or somehow we have heard about these things. If you don't know, let me just tell you that this is very important for your daily meal, for your nutrition and for your functioning of your body, functioning for your internal organs of your body. So let's discuss what are the proportion that you actually need from your daily meal. Protein should be from 10 to 25% of your food. Carbohydrate should be 45 or 65% of your food. Fat should be 20 to 35% of your food in daily meal. So this is the requirement of these macronutrients in your food. It should be there. Micronutrients, let's talk about micronutrients. It also consists of three parts. First is vitamin, then minerals, and the last is phytonutrients. Phytonutrients are all the things which you get all from fruits and vegetable extracts. So these are phytonutrients. So what actually our body required with these things, that 13 kind of vitamins you required, some specific dosage are there for your body in a daily basis, and 11 minerals you require and phytonutrients. These are all the things that you require in daily basis for proper functioning of your body. But unfortunately, our lifestyle doesn't support it. We don't have time. We want some convenience. We don't want to get involved on such things to get all the meal. We just get involved in our daily life, and you should spend your plenty of time to get it. So we don't find it very convenient. When we talk about supplements are those things which complement your food to get actual requirements of your body, actual nutritional requirement of your body. So taking supplements will increase the nutrition in your food, and those things are very convenient. You just open the bottle, take it in and just close the bottle. That is it. So this is very convenient, and all what we prefer people are only from vegetables and fruits and all plants and trees. So totally zero side effects and everything. These are not medicines. I repeat, these are not medicines. These are just supplements which are going to complement your food in daily basis. So what we discussed today was need of supplements. Under that we discussed nutrients, macronutrients, protein, carbohydrate, fats, micronutrients, vitamins, minerals and phytonutrients. Why we need that, and why we need supplements to accomplish your daily nutrition. So that is it from my side. I really hope you liked this video. Thank you so much.